Nikki. Welcome to my vlog. I don't know what to call this one, but I'm just making a video for a remembrance, I guess. Like, to see is to believe. No, joke, I'm kidding. I'm just making a video to see my progress, I guess, or like any changes in my life. Because I'm not really into posting things, and maybe for a change. Well, as you can see, by the way, today is December 30, 2025. And as you can see, I'm inside, in the Philippines, we call this multi-cup, pedicab, I don't know. But I'm sleeping, I am sleeping here temporarily. Maybe tomorrow I will go back to my dangerous room. Well, I'm sleeping here for the meantime because last September 30, 2025, we experienced um a very strong earthquake, and a very sudden one. Like, our place rarely experience earthquakes, and all of a sudden there was a very big and strong one at 9:59 p.m. Like, I was sleeping at that time because I was not feeling well. And today I'm not feeling well too. I'm always not feeling well. Lord, please. Next. Puhon. Like, maybe because I'm old, I don't know. But, kapay na kayo si sakit-sakit. Like, paano ko yung kwarto? Oh my god, I cannot work properly because of sickness. Like, ano, last before sa kuon sa earthquake kay nahiluan ko ato dahi. So na-stop ko sa work for 20 days only. And then back to normal na unta pero matulinog na itabo among balay guba. Well, okay pa karon ako ang kuan bedroom. Makaklase pa man ko didto pero kuyaw. That's why nasa ako diri sa gawas ron natog. Oh my god. Okay, I will use this video as a practice for me to in speaking in English. Anyway, today I just want to one of the main reasons why I made this video today, it's because I want to see before 2026, like what will look like. And then I will go back. I will upload this privately, okay, on my YouTube channel. And then by the end of the year, and if unfortunately I will still be alive, I will see if there's some changes or like I did better. Hi nako. Lord, I love you so much. Please bless me with all your blessings. And if not, ay. So today I am sick. I cannot breathe properly. I can breathe properly, but my chest hurts like hell. And I can feel something sore on my left arm, like from the shoulder blades from here to here to my hands. And then I went for a massage earlier this morning, and oh my god, it was so bad. I think I was about to pass out because I was a little dizzy, and it's hard to breathe because it seems like my chest is heavy. Lord, I I look like someone who's about to give up in life, right? Well, that is true. Like if well, the bad thing is I am not suicidal because I am a coward. I think coward. I am a coward. I don't want to hurt. I mean, I don't want to feel hurt and then suffer. What if it will fail, right? The attempt will fail, and then the medical bills, my god, I will suffer the consequences. So if I would die, I want it to be, 100% sure. Like, like goodbye world na talaga. I don't know why I am. That's it, I guess. That's all. Thank you. Bye. Well, I'm just kidding. I just want to talk more. I don't know. I'm not. Oh, I'm not usually like this. Well, I'm getting a hot compress. I want to because according to ChatGPT, if you feel some numbness on your left arm or something, it's good to have a hot compress. Oh my god! Wait a minute. Actually, I already felt okay yesterday. No, no. Oh yeah, yesterday morning because I went to Semblante Medical Clinic on Christmas. Yeah, 25, December 25. I went for a checkup because I cannot breathe very well, and whenever I try to breathe, my chest hurts. So I guess it was acid reflux, and I guess I'm right because I got prescribed with so many medicines. Like for I will take 14 medicines a day for 2 days, and then on the third day, I think it was only maybe 10. I don't know, or 11. Yeah, but it ended at 4 days. So I went to the doctor on December 25, and today, oh no, yesterday, December 29, my chest pain came back because of my sleeping position. I raised my arm while sleeping just to cover my eyes from the heat of the sun, or not, or like the ray of the sun, because it's just so shiny. And the consequence is that me getting the chest pain back, and oh my god, it was way worse. I'm so sick already. Please, Lord, let me be okay. Bye, that's over today. I'm going to sleep, I guess, but it's already 9 minutes and I just kept on babbling. Well, I think there are two purposes for this video. It's for me to take like maybe watch my face. Yeah, I will not put on filters so I will see how ugly I am. I will say my English communication skills, if it has improved. I don't know. I actually don't know. Bye. Good night. I hope not to see you again. I want to rest. I'm so tired. Well, paying bills is okay, but sickness is not okay. Bye.